So you logged into your Google Ads account and you see the dreaded message account suspended. It's a gut punch, right? Feels like your whole world just stopped. But trust me, you're not alone and it's not the end of the world. Today, I'm going to talk about what to do when your Google Ads account gets suspended with a 2025 refresh on what's important. First things first, don't panic. Seriously, panicking leads to bad decisions like creating a new account. That is a big no no. Don't do it. Your immediate goal is to understand why you were suspended. Google will usually send an email or give a notification in your account dashboard. It might be vague, using terms like circumventing systems or misrepresentation. These are like broad categories, so you'll need to dig a little bit deeper. Now, why do accounts get suspended? There are a bunch of reasons. In 2025, Google is focused on user experience and policy compliance. So, some common culprits are policy violations. This is a big one. Think misleading ads, inappropriate content, or even landing pages that don't match your ad's promise. Google's policies are pretty detailed, so it's worth a quick review if you haven't lately. Suspicious payment activity. This could be anything from unpaid balances to what Google perceives as unusual payment patterns. Make sure your billing info is always up to date and legitimate. Circumventing systems. This is a serious one. It means you're trying to trick Google's ad system. This could be multiple accounts for the same business, hacked websites, or trying to hide things. Misrepresentation. Making false claims about your business or products, or just generally being unclear about what you offer. Failure to verify identity. In 2025, advertiser verification is a big deal. If Google asks you to verify your identity or business, do it promptly and accurately. Okay, so you've got a vague idea of why. Now, what to do? Step 1, deep dive into the why. Look at your suspension notice again. Can you pinpoint anything specific? Did you recently change an ad, a landing page, or your payment method? Cross reference what Google's telling you with their current policy documents. They're usually pretty clear, even if the initial notification isn't. Step 2, fix the problem. This is crucial. Don't appeal until you've fixed whatever caused the issue. If it was a misleading ad, change it. If your landing page has a broken link, fix it. If your billing info is out of date, update it. Document everything you do, screenshots, dates, details of the changes. This will be super helpful later. Craft your appeal once you've fixed the issue. It's time to appeal. Step 3, craft a clear and concise appeal. This isn't a time for emotion or anger. Be professional, honest, and specific in your appeal. Acknowledge the suspension. State the reason Google gave. Explain what happened. If you understand why, briefly explain it. Detail your corrective actions. This is where your documentation comes in. Explain exactly what you changed and how it now complies with Google's policies. Promise ongoing compliance. Reassure Google that you understand the rules and will follow them moving forward. You'll usually find the appeal form within your Google Ads account dashboard, often linked from the suspension notice. Patience is key. After you submit the appeal, it's a waiting game. Step 4, be patient and follow up. Google's review process can take a few days. Don't submit multiple appeals. It can slow things down. Check your account dashboard regularly for updates. If Google asks for more information, provide it promptly. A suspended account is stressful, but it's often a fixable situation. By understanding the reasons for suspension, taking corrective action, and submitting a clear appeal, you're giving yourself the best chance of getting back on track. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.